How can I tell the difference between a Class 1 and a Class 2 piece of equipment? Well, let's start with Class 1. Class 1 piece of equipment relies upon the fixed wiring of the installation in order to disconnect. So by relying on fixed wiring, it means it needs this CPC, this green and yellow conductor here, it needs that to be able to pick up any fault currents, to safely disconnect the fuse, the overcurrent protected device which is just there, and it will rely very much upon your sockets in your house for that. So Class 1 relies upon the earth and can on occasion have this symbol here on the label of the equipment. Now let's look at some Class 2 equipment. So Class 2 equipment quite commonly can be identified by its symbol because nearly all Class 2 equipment will have this symbol on it somewhere. So this little mixer here, this actually, or blender I should say, this actually has a box in a box there, and that's the symbol for Class 2 equipment. If you didn't see that symbol, however, there is an easier way to identify it. You see this cable here, this flex, see how it's flat. Therefore, identifying that it's got 2 cores in it. Unlike the Class 1, which had 3 cores, this one has only got 2 cores, so therefore we'll make it Class 2. It's only relying on line and neutral. It does not rely upon the earth of the fixed wiring. What it does rely on, however, is that it's what we call double insulated or reinforced insulation. That means that where these cables go into here and make the connections inside the blender, those cables there will be, the live parts will have an air gap around them. Then they'll have an insulating part, and then they may have another air gap, or they might then have some form of plastic coating on the outside as well, therefore giving it 2 lines of protection, so double insulated.